Interesting information about India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India covers an area of 32,87,263 km. India has 6 seasons instead of 4. The total population of India is 1.4 billion. Chess was invented in India. 129 million people in India live below the poverty line. India produces more than 70% of the world's spices, including cardamom, cinnamon, saffron, and turmeric. India is the largest film producer in the world. India has 22 official languages. The longest river in India is the Ganges. India grows more than 40% of the world's mangoes. Cow is considered sacred in Hinduism. The Taj Mahal in Agra is considered one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. India is the 2nd largest English-speaking country. More than 125 million people speak English. The Indian Ocean is the 3rd largest ocean in the world, which is named after India, which is all around India. The currency of India is rupee. India shares borders with 7 countries: Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, India's neighbors. India is called the tiger capital of the world. India is expected to overtake China as the most populous country by 2030. In the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh, police officers' salaries are increased for growing a mustache. India's Mars mission was cheaper than the budget of the film Gravity. The highest motorable road in the world is 19,024 feet high. It is in India.